Confusion on top number for Binet place where they born for inside market from Bopi yesterday. If Binet people they talk around that kind of 40-50 Binet place where they don't born, Sabi say man for army rescue, Igina 20. So just now, confusion dey for on top that chapter. As we people then say where they born, their Binet place is born. They don't turn back this morning time for see as we place, it don't turn be inside Mbopi market. We go take una, we enter for that market again for talk as we the market it don't turn be after we dey so fire be enter for day for overnight. So for inside Tori for this afternoon we go talk palabawaka we Oga Gaston Esumba Oga Gaston we make am inside Douala here. Sabi say na be head boy for palava for electric and even chapter for water inside we country. He can see this transformer where he be chakara for that side. So for Bonantone he enter for Douala here this early morning time. Tori too for this afternoon we go take una go for Yawende where Okada people them they don't make waka for vex, they don't block some places them inside town for Yawende. After we dey so governor he give them place where they no get for waka enter for inside Yawende. Tori for this afternoon we get plenty other thing them we take una enter to for school for Idabato where he dey so water he don't chop am also ten a foundation for school where he left for that side. This story plus one with newspaper then say then talk am we go bring am for now inside Tori for this afternoon. Big part talk where we get am for we before e dey tell we say time wey salt e plenty inside Koki na pikin wey e papa and e mami don finish die na e go chop the big share. I say time wey salt e plenty for inside Koki na pikin wey e papa and e mami they don die wey they dey call am for Queen Elisa say orphan na e go chop the big share for inside that kind of Koki them when thing then they don spoil. Now who send am Prince Ndoki Mukete for that side. So for inside Kumba na e send we big part talk for this afternoon. Country people them man no run, we return back small time. Good afternoon again. Plenty glad so we don't join head for this side. So for Equinox at Tori House, now for inside Douala with the knock mob. So for this side, you will know Sabi Tori for this afternoon. As well, I don't just talk. We go start now with the palava for fire for Douala again, and now for inside market. Now Mbopi market that country people them Monday night where fire is start for cash for that side. Tori we enter we here tell we say this fire is start cash around that kind of 7 o'clock 7:30 for night where people they just want see fire start for cash for place where they call them same Mbopi. How this fire take start according to Binet people them and people them for that side they dey try for blame say for Sika palava say light e no be day for inside Douala for some place them for Douala they say as we current it turn back for inside Douala. So country people them they say the power where it take come now we confuse current for inside market one time na market and say they start for burn for that side. Now so to one time they be called army rescue people them for inside Godi. Na so to Colonel Michaela he phone he ring he call even the man where they call him say Afu Hansen all them they run go for ground for go see where they happen. First motor he go see as where the fire plenty he turn back for house. Then another motor he go add power again. Now just so they turn so they see whether they go lost fire. Sabi say people them for army rescue they start for lost that fire from time where they land for them for 7:30 so they for around 3 o'clock this early morning time before they come up for that site. Now just so the fire become no man e no sabi whether na the thing where the Binet people then talk am say na for power wey current take am e make am before fire catch from Mbopi or na say e dey so na for Sika wey they connect light them inside the market. But just now na the photo that na the image that from Mbopi market on Monday night breaking at Tuesday. This Tuesday morning time we talk say we no fish down for back we will no turn back for that Binet place that market for see as the market e turn back. Na so too Kunkuma enter for market. We so meet up small fire where e be the so cash. Again, e continue for cash for some business place them inside market from Bopi. As well the fire to be the cash for some market for some business money own place. Na so too for outside we so meet up work people them for Colonel Michaela with them say they so she done again for inside market. Na mami that way business place zone are born. E no be fit for whole am cry e come up for a eye. We meet up army rescue people there they so day for day. They never tire for work since yesterday. They turn back again this early morning time for see as well they go continue for lost fire. So for inside that place from Bopi market as well they lost the fire, the last fire the way they remain. Now so too for corner as well see business people then too where they get them business place them they don't come. We hear say they be say electronic for some one line for this side and other people they say that small thing them we market e burn also for inside this arrangement as so una see am so they only wake up they come now for can see wait till the fire don't level for back as so don't talk inside this palava. If you ask ambassador say how many business place they burn, me and no fit talk according to wait till army rescue people then talk am they say na 20 and 20 business place they burn but business people them they try for talk say na more than 20 even more than 40 business place them where they don't burn. So just now confusion e dey on top number where they don't give we say na the number that way business people they don't lost. I will get some people them where they don't lost more than 15 million, other one the way they don't lost more than 10 million only for cargo the way they be get them for their business place before this fire catch. So this morning time now the thing that we will see am from Bopi as we all man he only can use the eye for chop Christmas as well someone the way they be fit for comot some small thing them they come out and bet sabi say no nothing. I say no nothing e no comot for inside that fire and lucky to say na block house. If you know for the block then na calabot una for sabi to happen now this morning time therefore only can see na empty place for the whole that place of market e burn inside Mbopi. And just for sabi country people them at this market way born so we be turn to we see cargo them with the fit with the born you sabi say some of the business people them they be the do now with it in the way even if you born now how you go so can meet up and so we be turn to enter for some of the store them where fire be enter for them we meet up now last thing there they don't burn them like this store will enter for inside nothing than that when I electronic where they sell them for this store if you see I'm say all thing they burn this side it is show say na thing they like pot and stove them where they sell them for day this side too all the thing them they burn pot them that na stove them that even tray them even spoon and true can all them as well they sell na true can to that way they for inside now so other one store this will meet up am where they sell na pan them cup where all thing e dey for outside where all thing e don't burn for sake of this strong fire where e catch for side where they call am same Bopi na tray to that if you see am small thing them where they be dey inside that business place where all thing them burn so one them where they no be don red they be fit for comot and for outside but sabi say someone they dey where they burn plenty as well na sabi small stove them the one they show say na that store them where it is say stove and it is say true can even pan them where they broke and plastic pan them where they sell them for here. So now just so we meet up some of the business place them inside Mbopi market this morning time and una sabi say when tori the enter we get for give na small as well they happen we no need for join them. So we be look the palava too for light from Mbopi how they connect light how the light day whether na for sika say for on top one pole you get more than 6 people there they take light for day or na wetin e happen make una see as wey dey pour themselves for the Mbopi the day you see that no na one rope that when you see one rope plenty rope dem dey on top wey e dey show say for one store 6 people then they take the same thing same line 6 rope then they enter for day see rope wey e throw for ground you see no so all the one dem so people dey try for ask question if no be na the kind of thing dem dey make am before the fire e catch for sake I say when rope over get load on top his skin normal when power come power to current e go just enter so e cause confusion so people dey ask this palava for connection from Bopi e dey like to say that one too e get some complaint on top the palava so we be talk say make we no dey talk one side dey talk this side make we look to sometimes the day wey some of the business people dey make una no vex una too na get hand for some kind of thing the way dey pass you understand when you see one pole from Bopi you dey see na wey plenty rope dey pass for day ask am say who side dey go, who side dey go. And but beside we hear say some people dey get like some 10 line. Now for say can say when the line no dey, they take different line line no dey, they take different line. So now this kind of confusion then so where e dey pass through for that side. So the way to they connect light inside Mbopi. Now some other thing to way people they don't talk say me they look for inside fine. If you dey now the thing to that way it cause that way happen inside Mbopi for happen. Una sabi say some quarter dem for inside Douala here, they no be get lights. E be dey na for Sunday, breaking Monday. But last transformer wey be catch fire for place wey dem call am say Bonatone. Just now the transformer don turn up as so here. Minister say for palava for energy and even chapter for water, e be dey for that place. Na the transformer place that wey e be catch fire wey be show am for now on Monday. Minister Oga Gaston e be dey this early morning time for try for check work with that people dem for inside place wey dem call am say company wey dey look light they don work. Sabi say they be promise population for Douala say they go do the work quick so that plenty people them get light. One day we na for sika them wey they no get light. And true by yesterday plenty quarter the day wey they don't get light, and even that one way it be born it be so the day bet they don already put them. So big people the way they look out current they be there with the minister wey can Douala for can check with the own crow eye thing wey be pass for that transformer. Minister too he don't hear and they don't promise. Minister say go up can down thing them they go the waka fine inside Douala. After that transformer wey catch fire they don't ready finish work am, and plenty quarter them where they no be get light last light it don't last turn back for some. Even as say some people them that is also talk say they never get light, but they work for the transformer it show say don't finish and they don't put new one for that side. And minister to be fit for she don for Douala for Yawende where Inokan city wey happen inside Binet capital when for dey money it dey come up before it enter for capital except for we country. We go left palava for that one. We talk on we take talk accident to a happen now for inside the country here for we national road number 3 now for Ngwe village as we they call am for Puma where motor where he carry Mimbo on top his skin. He make versus with another big Ngongoro where he be the camp for opposite side. This accident way pass from Ngwe village for inside Puma where they for Young and Kele division. We hear say people them the day where they get caught. We never feel for confirm if some person be sleep straight, but the accident it block traffic. As well block traffic it be na good to see a man. He don't go take Mimbo the drinko. Yes, people them they see accident Njo Mimbo Cameroon. We like na Njo. You understand? Anything where you call Njo, just put Cameroon hashtag Cameroon for corner. For sake I say Njo must ever dey. They don't come meet up people them they jam. Instead for find to say who side the people they dey. Na Mimbo where all man don't concentrate for see whether they fit take their own. Na Njo Mimbo be there no. Plenty Mimbo way be throw for that side. Two Ngongoro them. Sabi say when two elephant they say the jam skin automatic. Now the grass it go suffer. Some people they be get caught. Neither that where they be put them on top motor. No man, be don't die now. So one man that way they see where be there in EDC they find where be there on top motor. But people they can't meet up na Mimbo, they just start carrying a Mimbo the drinker. You understand? They start carrying a Mimbo the drink. As well they carry one of the person to where be get caught. They take go for our speed to say make they go look at his skin. The accident it block road for plenty time. Where people there they be come out Yawende they come Douala. One way they come out Douala they go Yawende. They no be fit for enter roads near them say they be there for try for see as well they make control for that accident way it be happen. Rain it never so finish country people them. Rain it never so finish. It is also show people them pepper. We take una enter for loom now for under Mongo division where rain way it fall. It okay before we go for that rain we go take una go for Yawende. We talk for na say Okada people them too for Yawende. Them too they don't provoke this early morning time. Now Okada people then that where they don't come put tire them for block roads for Yawende side. Sabi say inside Yawende Oga governor he don't write book for talk say na so and so place where Okada people they no get for enter. So this morning time it be hot with Okada people they don't vex after book way governor for Yawende report behind sign. Mami water too for near then too. It be turn am for corner. It be the see as well the Okada put they be the make noise. So Okada put the block road, disturb traffic this early morning time. After we governor, he talks say make they no go for some quarter them for that side. So for inside Yawende. So now so Yawende the hot. We go turn back inside this chapter in the proper tomorrow for morning time when we turn back for this side. As we talk, palava water and when rain, it is also fall. Sabi say na people then say they go hear bad for inside we country. For side where they call them say loom, plenty rain, it don't cause confusion. Yes. Only small rain will fall, no be na 2 day, no be na 3 day. Rain, it don't cover the whole place. Now what I mean that, it meet up people them ride for their dom up. Pikin the way they want go school, they be fit for go school for who side. Sister way down don't go tight. He check sense how you go manage enter water. He stand up for this so take hand. Pikin the way they don't go school where school don't close. They turn back for house. They only get for enter na for inside water. And this water, it meet up na people them for some quarter them for that side so for loom. It meet up them right for inside the house. No be na for the whole loom. But all them they turn na palava guata hole. Now school pikin they turn back for school. They no get choice. Enter for watering. Watering is show them pepper in the proper. Make we turn back for loom. We see as well the thing it punish people them for that side. We go turn back for on top this palava for water for that side so for loom country people them also talk the water enter for people them for house plenty so we no even make pikin them too for turn back for school for time. Make we turn back on top that chapter.
Down church, that Catholic church for back day. They walk after them can scatter all the stone there all. That's no feel and fun. No feel and fun. And inside town cover no day, whatever day, all inside got tab, room not so day. All water inside the western road. All got around the western road.
One small way they don't fish waiting. They decide they go fish something they not the fisher. Make them fish and fun. Oh man, yeah, fun. That's so water day. So woman no go chop again like a 3 day today. After that water no come up for your horse or suited for inside fire, no fit chop. Water road no day. For this quartier, that one way they make up for pondo so moyen no day for day. If you that water enter that for my bed. I don't know who I go sleep today and I picking them. Well after they be fishing down we go fun. Shoe water, how water go begin water like they don't come so. August. How was the same? See that mommy where the pass so that's also water. That's also water too much.
Now they were watching that way what I do and for people them for loom, but make una necessary using our own eyes, see as we picking them suffer for turn back for school and even house them where water enter for inside. We go left palava for water just now. We go remain so for under Mongo division for talk this palava for roads. Country people them. Sabi say since we start talk on top this road for Ebone last. It show say that road, national road, number 5 where they go for Bafusam. People them, they also do small one thing. For say make accident don't know they happen for the particular place. When for bridge for Ebone, where the bridge, it don't chakara sote for Sika palava, Wawa road. They say that the thief people them too for here Taiwe moto e dey waka small as we tori house e talk am we be don fair talk say dey so dey be throw brag ground on top that road. This time again country people dem na another person wey e don carry one motor e go throw am for for the same place. Na just for sika palava waiting palava say that road e don make plenty people dem suffer. So na one person no be na say na governor person, no be na say na person say wey dey for inside politics, na he say for him own heart he say make he carry ground e go throw am for that road so that population for inside Ebonyi they no go dey hear bad for sika palava for the road wey e don show people dem pepper. And sabi sef say e don talk if governor go wan catch it after say why e go throw a poto for day or gravel, then make the holy bet they go pay you the money wey do am. He say do am so for sika say e dey like say governor e don forget say e dey so e get some work for do am for some side. So na the road that we don talk am and na so two people dey so carry gravel go throw am for help people there dey waka pass on top that road all time. We go hear wetin wey the man say he talk for Jackie Nomolomi microphone.
We suffer plenty. Me I don't been decided say I must make them some work. Now you are there for make come people no go suffer how I see them anytime they suffer there. Yes, if they put me for prison, people go know say I'm being make that too fun before you go turn back. But you are no, but I'm not beginning of prayer. Say for inside deal they make them. I don't say some way one make them prayer soon. We no say prison will come. But if the people when them get sent them will no say and we made that so fun. I demand say people no suffer. No man, no fit take some man with the make fun. Put them for prison. Say he said no not you with the make them. Now fun I want do because me too I get machine. For say that all machine the pass all motor the pass for us will suffer so enough fun. I dey see how we people dey suffer for you. People.
We be ask the man we put that gravel if he go ask Ngomna money make we hear wetin answer we.
Get no, I think say I go make you and make them. Now time I go finish, I will give my factory from governor. Say pay me because they don't make nothing for nothing. I don't try for make them. If in a bad, they don't go pay me. But if in a fine, then go some people then go see what I don't work them. Then go pay me. They don't pay me, no problem. I know so I don't make work for God.
Yes, we left that palava. We go take una go just now for Bakassi side. Now for Idabato country people them, we'll go land for them. For talk palava some school. Now all this one of the same way left for government school where they belong for population for inside place where they call them say Idabato. This one too, it show say small time as we waka the water, it the waka enter, it go carry them to go. All these sides one of the same so. Now place where they don't build government school for people them for Idabato. But for Sika water we don't knock the school now alternate we he left for that government school for that side so for Idabato plus this one way the CM so and Sabi say place like a place for Idabato it then for Bakassi side and now people then too where they dey for corner water and that water so it don't show these people them pepper just now no one eye picking you know the go school as so Sabi for inside the side for some kind of way plenty majority of the picking them they don't go them now for Nigeria. As we tori enter for we here and someone then too they manage the small school them where they dey for inside the big cry where the population for Idabato the beg just now na say men governor he try for see as so he go can fix another school can build another school if no be na for corner water right for inside where water he no go meet up the school again. We go hear wetin say we chief for inside that place he talk for Derek Jato palava for this school.
My cry for this school, the government can help us and to build the school, make our children get school to go. Make not be say we just dey here, we no front and back. So now we need help of government to help us.
We go continue on top this chapter for that government school tomorrow when we turn back for this side. Just now, we go take una go for Limbe. We come out Bakassi. We just take water. We land for Limbe for talk say the new DO for inside the Limbe 3 subdivision where they call it Epolewane Veclin. They don't put it for chair for that side, so for Limbe. And red cap chief them, people there they come out for Coupe Maningo, but they go sabi say na on them. Them too they be there for corner as well they be put the new DO for inside the Limbe 3. Sabi say the new DO for Limbe 3, 1A1 Epole Veclin. He come out Epole Veclin. He come on for side where they call him say Kumba 3 before he come for that side, so for inside the Limbe 3. So just now he work now for so continue for do the better work we do the work we be the do time we he be there for that side, so for inside Kumba we now for the way come out before he enter for inside the Limbe 3 subdivision. So for inside the same chapter, we remain for Limbe for talk say people them from Mevio village themselves. They be there for outside a weekend we just finished country people them. It be then at the big country fashion day for Mevio people them for inside the Limbe subdivision country people them. It be then at time where the chief says they don't talk, say make minister they try for look inside Palava where big people them they can't tiff land. Henry Eyebe Aisi and Gabriel Bairobe all them they be the 2 minister them where they be answer present for that side, so for inside Mevio village as where they start their small country fashion week. And sabi one of the big thing them where they don't talk now say make minister where the local land is sabi say big people them inside town they don't chop plenty land them, they don't take plenty land them, so they beg say make the minister he try for do some better thing as we mefkuda it be happen inside this week we just start for that side, so for Limbe. We go take una too, we talk this other palava for inside Tori. We enter for inside the country people then too for Okurumanjang as we they call them. This country people then for Okurumanjang we will get even big man. We ide for that side, so for Bamenda big man na Aga Robinson big colonel we to become for here. Be then a chapter for them too for see as we they go get their new head boy inside their country people away the association way they for inside Douala. So a big colonel Aga Robinson too, he be there and he talk for Okurumanjang people them, may they sabi as well they go do their thing them. And before we come out, the people them sabi say big day for people them for Presbyterian Church too. It be passed inside this week as soon as sabi abega make we enter for that photo them for PC them where it be passed inside the week. It be then a chapter for the church people them too for glad. Their big day as soon as sabi every time they ever glad. Their big day where the anniversary they take them from Basel Mission. We go surely enter for that chapter where we meet up again tomorrow. But before we come out, make we try for look the newspaper the way they did for we before this afternoon. We enter for the guidance post we dey outside country people them inside the guidance post they tell we as we November session for parliament it is start today na so to pressure it dey for on top Nkonkuma for say make it put special status bill on top table for honor them as we the guidance post it talk am for we inside the same guidance post you go read Tori where it concern Palava Cameroon Renaissance movement people them where they don't swear say they go make CPDM here bad for this municipal and legislative vote where it happen. You feel read Tori too where concern if SDF they come out wetin e mean for Cameroon unity na editorial where the guidance post it do today. Make we enter for the Voice too where it dey outside this afternoon country people them inside the Voice newspaper they tell we as we in Nkunkuma it don't so they make like say you know the here and on top that one it don't talk say make a vote for a municipal and legislative it pass under some kind of work condition them as with the Voice it put them inside the Voice too. You feel read Tori where concern the 5 truth in them where it concern Cameroon on top the Voice newspaper plus other strong number them where the Voice it carry them. Make we enter too for wait where the Star newspaper too it take them for his skin inside the Star newspaper. Okay, they tell we say what time we already finish up our time, but we will read where the Star talk for we inside the Star newspaper. You read Tori Palava for National Assembly, Palava 2 for election. They don't put down for number 9 day for number 2 moon 2020. You go read where to Bishop Nkea. He talk on top Palava where we father them they suffer for Sikadis Palava for Norwest and Southwest, and wait till social media too. You don't talk about PCC where he did for inside court, name for PCC where he did for plenty courthouse. Order to read them, you fit for read them for inside them. Now they to read them that plus the info where they outside where they tell we to minister them from Gomna. They be there for Mefkuda 2019 as with the info talk, and 101 at we get 1,200 people them where they don't left UNDP enter just now CPDM. Order to read them the info he carry for his skin. Now to read that for this afternoon country people them, we go turn back tomorrow when it knock 8 o'clock. News it will continue for this side. Thank you plenty Innocent Abega and all the other people them. I will say big thank you for Innocent Abega, Ledu Pone and even Malice where they make Tori for happen. Tomorrow we will turn back on a whole tight.